Yo, what's up, dude? Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance, man. I got some hot stocks for you, bro. You don't have to invest for the long term. You can just day trade, bro. Dude. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. I'm your host, Strongman, and today we're going to talk about why day trading is for losers. So take freaking notes, okay? Now, before we start this lesson, I want you to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you really like the video, share it to all your dude bro, hot stock, day trading brothers, okay? Because they need to be freaking educated. Thanks. Anyway, we're gonna talk about day trading. What the hell is day trading? Basically, you sit in front of your computer all day when the stock market is open, which is between 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern. You sit there and you try to make quick money off short-term fluctuations in stock prices, okay? And I've actually given you an example here of strongman stock to show you exactly what these guys do, okay? So basically, you're just trying to speculate and hope that your short-term guess actually makes you a little bit of profit, okay? After all the taxes and transaction costs, all right? So in this example, you have a day trader who likes to day trade strongman stock. Okay? So what he does is he waits till the market opens, you know? Maybe he reads a newspaper, does some research in strongman stock. He gets a feeling for how the market is viewing the value of the stock at that time, okay? And then, when the market opens, he immediately sees that the stock price goes down from 40 to 38 in the first couple of minutes, okay? Then he's like, dude, the stock went down, bro. So if the stock went down, that means I can buy it and then it goes back up, bro. So he buys in right here, right? And then a couple minutes pass. You know, he bought the stock at 38. Oh, it went up to 39. Looks like he's making money, right? Then the stock, and then it goes down again to 37. He's like, dude, the stock's going down, bro. I gotta sell it, bro. And he freaking sells it. And now he just lost $1 for every share of stock he bought, okay? And then the stock price starts going up again. And he's like, I don't know, dude. Maybe I can make some money this time in the stock, bro. And right when it turns positive, then he's like, okay, man, I'm gonna buy the stock. And he does it. He buys right here at 41 because the stock's going up, you know? And he's like, oh my God, it's going up so high. Maybe I should sell at 43. Now, I'll hold on to it. Oh my God, dude, the stock's going down, bro. And then it goes down again. And then he sells it right here. And he loses money again, okay? Now, in this illustration, this is the perfect example of the logic of a day trader, okay? They only exist to make money on short-term fluctuations in a stock. And it is a complete gamble, okay? Nobody in the freaking world knows where strongman stock is going to be at any time of the day. Now, if it's a good company, maybe in the next 10 or 15 years, this stock might be worth $200 a share, okay? That's a reasonable estimate, you know, based on the performance of the company. But from day to day, the value of the stock price is based on pure emotion and speculation, okay? For example, let's say the stock went up to 43 about halfway through the day. Well, what could have caused this sudden plunge in the value of the stock? Maybe there's a large firm that has a lot of shares of strongman stock and they decided to just dump some holdings so they could buy a different stock. Well, that sale would have an immediate effect on the price of the stock. Maybe there's nothing fundamentally wrong with the company, but maybe that firm that owned a lot of strongman stock just decided to sell some of their shares, okay? Stuff like that you cannot predict. There is no way to predict what the value of the stock is going to be at any time of the day. And the mistake you'll make is if you see the stock go down, oh, it went down. That means it's going to go back up. Not true. You could buy right here, see a little gain, and then start to see a big loss and panic and sell your stock, okay? Day trading is not for the average investor, and it shouldn't be for anybody. It's a terrible idea. There's no logic to it, okay? You have all these guys, they have these fancy charts, and they're like, oh, the resistance level, it broke through the resistance, bro. No, you don't know what's going to happen with the value of the stock at any one time. And on top of that, a lot of these guys trade on margin. They go into debt. They take loans to make bets on short-term price fluctuations. Terrible idea, okay? When you buy a stock, you want to buy a stock for a year, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, whatever, okay? But trading stocks like this, day to day, it's stupid. There's no logic to it. It's meaningless. It costs you a lot of taxes, high transaction costs. There's so many downsides, okay? You don't know where this stock's price is going to be from day to day, okay? You can make an informed decision in the long run over a couple years, but day to day, you have no idea. So do not freaking day trade, okay? If you buy a stock, let's say you buy it right here, and you want to hold strongman stock for 10 years, even if it goes down to 37 in the next few hours, it doesn't matter because you believe in the long run, this company will eventually have a much higher stock price based on the value of the company, okay? So don't worry about day trading. Buy the stock, doesn't matter where it's at during the day, just freaking buy it here, whatever. You don't know where it's gonna go. Buy the stock and hold it for 10 years. And if you make a good guess, you could triple, quadruple your money over 10, 20 years, okay? Does that make sense? Don't freaking day trade. It's stupid. You're competing against institutional investors, guys that do this full time, and girls, excuse me. You don't have the equipment to day trade. You don't know what you're doing. Don't freaking day trade. Just buy mutual funds or buy ETFs and hold them for the long term, okay? If you like this, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later.